Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today video is about Civil3d, how to add any object as a point we can use. Sometimes we need points, objects and as build rank, how that's working. And before watching this video, support to our channel. Let's start. And first we create a block of this kind of object. This is grid wall and manhole and pole light of street, and just enter for command block and click on that object and enter and pick point. Here is we select a center of manhole, sewerage manhole, and just name here we given a manhole and just click OK. This object created, and how to apply this object and this point. We select the point and right click and point group properties and just click on that, and here is mark point. Use AutoCAD block symbol for marker. Just click on that and click that and right click and press M in keyboard. Here is manhole preview show and just click OK and apply that. It's all point we use as a block. And how to show label style, we just click and right click and select the point group properties, and here is a point elevation, northing, easting. We select north and easting and click OK. The sewerage northeast coordinate. You can use a polyline street to convert first in block. Just again repeat the command, B enter and select the object, enter again and pick the point. We just click on point and giving name pole light and okay. This pole convert into block, and how use that as a point style. We create a point style and just manual method and click that, click on a screen. Description here we giving POLE pole and enter, and point elevation we have no. Just click it and just right click, select the point first, point group properties, and here are and we just press P, pole light, select that, preview show and click OK, and just only description and apply that. This is pole and pole description. You can use an as build rank. Click the manhole and edit the style of labels, and there is a northing easting of sewerage line manhole and just edit that, and here is layout option, and here a coordinate system. You click that and color change. Okay, here select Arial style of text, and here we description giving manhole and color of this we change here, select red and OK, and apply that. The manhole label is right direction, we set that again. Its preview not so good. It's right. Here is a lip and right. We select left. It's okay. Apply that. And the point size, how to increase that. Noting easting and point description. Thanks for watching.